Good morning, sir. I am John Cornel B. Cadorna from 3C, and my topic is about pollution. I asked ChatGPT to create a topic about pollution. She gave me a generalized topic, which is pollution of human health, cause of environmental pollution, youth fighting, and give me specific type of pollution. So, water pollution, air pollution, plastic pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. So what I've been picked is the plastic pollution in the oceans because it gave me a generalized topic, so I picked this. So after that, I prompt ChatGPT to create a topic that focus on plastic pollution in ocean that specify on a living creature in the water like fish. So why I picked this because if we throw garbage in the ocean or plastic, the living the creatures that living in the sea will affect because it contains chemicals or waste waste plastic that can harm the sea. So after that he gave me the main topic is the impact of the ocean plastic pollution on fish and marine life survival. So this gives me a more detailed topics and it focuses on fish and the ocean. So it gives me the more specified topic. So this and after that it says it adds the microplastic in digestion and fish health. So the microplastic is like a plastic that is bits by bits, like it's so small. You can you can't even feel it if you're going to the sea. You can't even feel it when you drink in the sea. Part of it is a microplastic. So after that, I give I probably give me the more detailed facts based on researcher indicating on it. So proof facts. So after that, here's the detailed research based fact about plastic pollution in the ocean, focusing on fish. So my topic is generally focused on waste plastic and the fish inside on it. So the research based fact on plastic pollution and fish. So plastic is already found in many fish species nationwide. So this gave me more information about my topic and indicating what's more important on it. So for example, fish mistake plastic for food like that. So fish mistook the plastic for food because they thought that what's inside the sea is editable. It can editable. So after that, microplastic damage fish health like guts, gills, liver, brain, or muscles. Plastic affect behavior's growth. He give me more detailed structures. Plastic reduces fish reproduction success, so it minimizes the reproductive rate on the fish. So after that, I prompt again to make my I prompt again to make this topic more understandable. So after that, make I prompt that make it better and do some more improvement that highlights the important key parts on the topic. So this the the plastic pollution in ocean impacts fish and marine life. So plastic pollution, especially microplastic, just generalize that microplastic is the mainly kaning pinaka-problema mainly problem of the fish. It is major threat to fish, affecting health, behavior, reproduction, and survival. So nowadays most people throw anything in the sea without bearing any consequences. After that, I prompt again to kani ay, so what is the important word on the topic. So here is the more important key term: plastic pollution on the ocean impact phase. So this prompt is I can't really know what I am focused on. So I prompt again that I prompt a more understandable topic indicating quotation marks. So this I prompt put a quotation mark on important words on the topic so that I can determine what's the topic. So after that, you highlight in the key terms like the impact of plastic pollution in the ocean, fish, microplastic, indigestion, accumulation, and food chain. So how to read it? So if if the if the word is inside the quotation mark, it is the mainly problem. For example, plastic pollution, the main problem. Fish, the main subject. Microplastic, specific type of pollution. Ingestion, how it affects the fish. Bioaccumulation, what happened inside the body and food chain. Wider impact. So I prompt again explain the discussion on the topic. So he gave me the discussion on what the plastic pollution about and how the fish through microplastic indigestion. So this gave me paragraphs and details, and that's after that to easy to understand the topic. I tell ChatGPT to use tables to understand the plastic pollution. So he gave me a table to understand it. So here's my table as you can see, sir. And after that, I prompt again, create a brief understanding. So to understand more about my topic. So this is my brief understanding. So plastic pollution in the ocean produce tiny particles called microplastics, just like what I said. And after that, I enhance my prompt, creating a new prompt by saying, now utilize the understanding that elaborate the topic. So now is, as you can see, the in the brief understanding, plastic pollution is the ocean produce tiny particles called microplastic, and this plastic pollution in the ocean is a serious environment that issue continues to grow under improper waste disposal. So as you can see, it elaborated on how serious the topic is. And that's all, sir. Thank you.